Hey everyone, it's Tristan with YAK Performance here. I just wanted to show this 6R80 swap harness off before I ship it out. This one is for an '04 to 2008 F150 setup. Okay, we got our C175T ECM connector or PCM connector. We have our branch connector. This one goes to the firewall and hooks up to what's already there on your F150. Then you got your harness that runs down. It'll go to your two rear O2 sensors, which are these two blue ones. We got the 6R80 swap right there, the connector. This is if you have four-wheel drive, you got your transfer case connector right there. Here we have a branch. This goes to your battery power cable. Your ground cable for this harness will go with this relay on the firewall. There's a little ground stud there. This relay will hook there, and then this will also hook with that relay, and that'll ground everything. Then you have your everything else that goes with it. You got a relay that's going to turn on when the rear reverse lights, when reverse is selected, this little relay will turn on just like in the stock trucks and send the signal to the backup lights through your connectors. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of show this off and get it shipped out to its customer so we can get it in and start seeing if we need to fine tune anything. You got your two can jumpers here, and then this one's actually for the shift assembly to go into your tow haul mode. I have a little quick connect connector on there. It'll just go into the original spot. I have little taps that actually go with these, so you can just tap them right onto your stock C175B connector, which is the center on this ECU. You'll tap in with your CAN signals. That'll relay the information from the internal TCM over to the ECU. And it has all your data like pedal data, throttle data, coolant temperature, and stuff like that the 6R80 uses, torque signal, torque source. So that way it integrates it into your F-150 system. This is one way of doing it without switching your ECM itself. You can still use that design. I also offer a complete ECM swap where you're going to the 11 to 14 ECUs or a 10 to, or actually 07 to 10 ECU. There's that way. There's a bunch of different ways, but this one's using the mechatronic system, which is an internal TCM in the actual valve body assembly that hooks on. We'll go over here. I have that bagged up right now. I had it on the bench for testing, but that's the TCM assembly, and that goes on the valve body inside the transmission, and that's the computer versus the newer style stuff. So just wanted to show that, get that stuff situated. I got other projects I'm working on, some Allison swap harnesses and stuff. So that's this system. I'm going to get this sent off, and we'll get it in the truck. If anybody needs any harness build work done, you can contact me at 706-994-0630 or at yakperformance0187 at gmail.com. Just reach out to me, and I'll get you taken care of as soon as I can.